Welcome all. I'm doing analysis on the USD dollar pairs. We're on the chart, the 1 hour chart of Euro USD currently, and we're gonna get my drawings back on. Right. We had a break of structure here, or fractal break inside this range. Our range is currently from this low to this high. If we go higher, I'm not expecting much higher. If we go lower, I'll be waiting for a retrace to take this further down considerably. Now, just a quick reminder of where we are. We've got 3, 4, 5. Only issue I have with the 5 is that we don't have a fourth wave in it. And I can't count that as a ending diagonal either, as we don't have a 1, 2, a 3, a 4 that comes into the territory of 1 and then a 5. So this is really throwing because everything that preceded it is impulsive. So that's what we have right now, okay? And if you want to count this as a 4, then a 5, fine. But your 4 is incredibly small in comparison to your 2, which is extremely rare. So what my analysis is, what I'm looking for, what I think is going to happen today, what I'm trying to trade, is I think that price will come up inside this range. I don't think we're going to come and take out this low yet. I think this low will hold. Prices going sideways, but I do think it will come up. I think this low will also hold. I think price will come up and take these highs inside the range into this supply, all this over here. And from there, I'm going to look to see if price distributes. Okay, from here, I'll be looking to see if we get distribution. If we do, then I'll sell it with the intention of breaking the low. Okay, but either which way, I'm looking for buys into this area and then I'm observing price. That's all I can really say for Euro USD, sorry. Okay, that's the count. On the 4 hour, we clearly had a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just that 5 in the 5 is suspect. But I wouldn't even say, because I wouldn't, what I wanted to think of when price was around here was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal. But now look how much time has gone past. Doesn't really suit a diagonal. Somewhere it makes me think potentially if this could have been 3, 4, then we could have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So that is a potential, but when I count this wave, I think it counts better the way I had it before. But potentially this could be the count. I'm definitely open to considering this as the count, whether the 3 is here or the 3 is here. And then a 1, 2, 1, 2. But if we use the time as well, so this would be our 2 from there to say here. It's in good time, it's okay. So we do have the potential of the that as well. So if we go up, make one more high, maybe reach the supply and then we drop. So it's about just paying attention to price in this area. Currently we're in a 1 hour order block. Just call this the second leg of a potential W formation. I'm looking for upside. Let's get our EMAs on the chart and have a quick look here. We managed to break above the 50 again. In fact, let's just point out this is potentially a 1. It's a 1 or an A. Then this here is a 2 or a B. See how corrective it is and how it can be counted as a 1, 2, and a 3. Then we got a break of structure here. So I do expect this low to hold. If we're going to come up, like I said, and at least grab these highs into this supply, for me, this low needs to hold. If this low goes, increased probabilities to take out this purple line, and in that point, I'll wait for a retracement back up into the range to then sell it down. So, I mean, we could get, it's not what I'm looking for, but we could get price actually just drop off here and then come back up to the supply zone over here or here. But like I said, I'm looking for upside first, and then I'll be observing price action when we reach supply zones after taking out these highs here. Okay, GBPUSD. This looks like a good potential accumulation forming, and looks like we'll probably come into the area that I've had marked out for a few weeks. This is, you know, it's just liquidity. You can see how none of the highs were really grabbing the liquidity from the above and dropping. See how we got a bunch of relative equal highs here, and this on a 1 hour time frame. We can see a W formation at the 50 EMA. This looks good for upside to me. It looks better than Euro USD, a little bit clearer. I mean, over here we did get the 5. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Then this could be A, B, C. Okay, this can turn into a D, E triangle, or it could be an A, B, C running flat, or it could literally just be A, B, and C is not finished yet, and then we distribute, get another low, and continue higher. In which case, we will observe the black line, the prior fourth wave. If we do break that black line, I'll be looking for a retracement, then sell it back down. NZDUSD and AUDUSD. Prior fourth waves over here. We came near it. We trapped over here. Pushed higher, grabbed the lows, broke up. So we appear to be accumulating as well. Potentially, maybe this is an A, a B, we get a C, and then we pull back up and take the high. Otherwise, we're looking for distribution in this range. If this blue line isn't taken out and we see distribution, aim for the low. AUDUSD. This has got a very nice bullish accumulation here. So, right over here. All this is an accumulation. Price has broken out of it. 13 cross to 50. We're back at the hour. Now my bias for NZDUSD is potentially higher if it follows AUDUSD, because for AUDUSD I'm clearly just looking for buys somewhere in this box, most likely, potentially in here, but most likely here, some form of an accumulation, take price higher on AUDUSD. So that's my analysis for the USD pairs. Please like, comment, subscribe. If there's anything you'd like me to take a look at, let me know and I'll get onto it. All right. Safe trading. Peace.